If you're hosting your Next.js projects on Vercel, I have an alternative for you that is way cheaper. I'm using it to host my web app, and it's a fraction of the cost of Vercel, and honestly I think it's even faster than Vercel. So what is this solution? The solution is a VPS. If you don't know what a VPS is a virtual private server. There are many websites out there where you can get a shared VPS or a dedicated VPS. In this video, I will only address a shared VPS because I don't really think you need a dedicated VPS unless you are already experiencing high traffic on your website. So to rent, so to say, a VPS, I'm using headsnare.com. So if you want, you can head out to this website. I've been, using it for a couple of months now, and I think it's pretty reliable. I haven't had any hiccups on my web app, and I think it's working fantastic, and it's really cheap. Once you go to headsnare.com, you can create an account, and then you can choose your VPS. They offer different options. They have Intel-based VPS, or they have also AMD-based VPS. You can choose whatever you want. It doesn't matter, honestly. And then once you have done that, you can choose how many gigabytes of RAM you want on your VPS, and then you can choose also how much storage you want. It can be very little. For example, in my case, I'm using 4 gigabytes of RAM and 10 gigabytes of storage. Then you need to choose the operating system. You can choose Ubuntu or Debian. Either of them is fine. Then you can go ahead and create your VPS, and once your server is running, you need to connect it to your local CLI, and from there you can then run commands from the terminal, and in particular you will want to install Node and Coolify as well. Node, of course, is important because we are running a JavaScript project, in this case a Next.js project, and then Coolify is what we are going to use to configure our web app. So basically what is going to build and deploy our web app. Once you have installed the necessary packages, you can go ahead and deploy your project with Coolify. There is a ton of guides out there that teach you how to deploy your web app with Coolify. And if you want a video on this, let me know in the comments, because I'm thinking to create a tutorial, a step-by-step tutorial on this. So let me know. And make sure to follow as well so you don't miss it. As I was saying, the cost is a fraction of what I was paying on Vercel, and it's about $4 per month, which is nothing, honestly. And as I was saying, so far, I am very happy with it. I hope this was helpful, and let me know in the comments if you want a step-by-step tutorial on this.